So for Python, we have three versions. We have Python 101, we have Python the full weekend course, which is like 6 plus 6 hours during the weekend. We have a 36-hour course that goes through the week, Monday to Friday, from like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we have the 6 month course. So more or less, we have these four variations for most of the courses that we offer in New York City. Um, the same variation is applicable for SQL or for any other topic that goes by, whether it be SQL, whether it be blockchain solidity. Uh, and the other thing that we do is we make sure that we use the latest tools and tricks that are being used right now, like Bitbucket and GitHub. We also make sure that we use cloud as much as possible. So possibly we use AWS or Google Cloud or Azure. So we make sure that you are using the latest cloud when you do this kind of programming. You're using the latest tools like DevOps tools like Bitbucket and GitHub to keep a track of what we are doing and also upload your portfolio on GitHub. We also use Slack to communicate so that you can get in touch with me and our instructors. And I look forward to see you in one of our courses.